Hello mga beshies! If you are living here in Milan or planning to visit Milan at nagnanais maka-experience mag-aperitivo or happy hour, this place is perfect place for you! Oopsie! Isa munang kaalaman mga beshies! Ang aperitivo ay an Italian pre-dinner ritual that involves a light drink and snacks to stimulate the appetite. It takes place from approximately 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and can include a variety of light alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks like my favorite spritz, wine, or a Negroni. At syempre, with a small bite such as olive, cheese, and light snack. Or it can be also evolved into a larger buffet or tinatawag na aperitivo cenato, gaya neto. At dito nga yan sa Bangra Bar na located sa Corso Sempioni numero 1 of course dito sa Milano. This place is so good and easy to find. Super duper lapit lang nito sa Arco de la Face. They serve super buffet and cocktail deal. So kaya naman kung napadaan ito sa wall nyo, baka ito na ang sign nyo para ma-experience ang aperitivo. Thank you for watching. Follow and subscribe for more. Ciao, ciao!